Are you looking for an extremely loud horn? Then check out the Hornblasters Stealth Train Horn Kit. Hornblasters train horn kits bring the powerful tone of a train horn to your truck. These air compressor powered horn systems produce a very loud, attention-grabbing honk that will be sure to turn everybody's head. The Stealth Spare Tire Delete Kit fits many full-size trucks and SUVs. The Hornblaster Stealth Bracket has a low-profile design that delivers excellent ground clearance and cleanly tucks away the horn's tank and compressor. The Hornblasters train horn kits are available at auto and truck outfitters. Just give us a call at 610-459-4343 for more information. Oh, and just how loud are these kits? Well, let's give it a listen.
That's it there, right?
Yep.
You nail it?
Yep.
Holy shit, that is loud.